Listen-only mode.
Hey, good morning, everyone. It's 11 o'clock. We are going to start our weekly briefing right now. My name's Harry Thomas. I'll be doing the weekly briefing for everyone today. So kind of going over the highlights, we're going to remain cooler today with the highs in the 40s under mostly clear skies. So overall, very nice, beautiful day, just a little chilly. We are expecting some light showers, possibly coming in by late tonight into Tuesday morning. Area wide, mainly rain may briefly start as maybe perhaps some wintry mix across the northern neck or Maryland Eastern Shore, but confidence at this time still continues to remain quite low. We are expecting temperatures to trend above average across the area through Wednesday. Then by the time we get into Christmas Day and Friday, there's some uncertainty that still remains as a series of weak low pressure systems will move across the area, bringing cloudier and cooler conditions. None of the possibly not going to see the 70s that we were originally forecasting for, but those areas still could be above average, just not as warm as we were expecting them. Just marine side, sub small craft conditions are going to continue to return later today as high pressure settles in over the area. Tomorrow, southwest winds increase 15 to 20. Maybe some gusts upwards of 25 knots. Tuesday with perhaps some marginal small crafts possible. Looking over the weather pattern for the next upcoming days, high pressure again settles over the area today, bringing clear skies. Then as that high pressure kind of settles offshore, we'll see some light showers possibly late tonight. Tuesday, those light showers are going to continue through the morning with clearing conditions in the afternoon. Wednesday, above normal. Dry weather conditions, and then Christmas Day and Friday again we're trending a little cooler, but temperatures will still be above average for usually what we see this time of year, but we're not expecting those 70s like we previously were. This is just a total rain amount. Really not much, anywhere between 100th to a tenth of an inch, so not a soaker at all, with the concentration primarily being across southeastern Virginia up through the Maryland Eastern Shore as well. And you can see with the probability of precipitation through the timing really starting kind of late tonight through the early morning hours of Tuesday. Then by Tuesday afternoon, we will start to see dry weather coming back into the area. So again, not really expecting much through Wednesday with precipitation with QPF wise. Then Thursday and Sunday, we start to see a little increase of them. That's just due to the multiple systems that are kind of coming out of the north right now. Central Virginia will see rain and more of a wintry mix across portions of northern Virginia up to our far north, kind of out of our area, up towards Washington and Maryland. And then a few isolated showers are possible Thursday. So this is just, again, summary of everything. You can see kind of that Thursday and Friday time frame where we were expecting those much warmer temperatures. Some of the guidance that has continued to come in since late last night into early this morning, kind of chopping away at those much warmer temperatures, but will still be above seasonable. But we're not expecting those 70s that we were showing a while back. That's just due to those multiple clipper systems that move on through, bringing those cloudier conditions and a little cooler with the temperatures. Then kind of Tuesday morning or tonight into Tuesday is when we'll see that precipitation chances, and then we'll continue to see some more additional precipitation chances probably Friday through Saturday with those clipper systems. Looking at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, we're above normal temperatures are favored through next week, but also below normal precipitation chances are favored. And like I was saying, our average around this time of year is usually in the upper 40s. So we are still, again, above average for those temperatures, again, just cooling down a little more than what we previously thought. Now, switching gears over to the marine side. Right now, with those small crafts primarily down across southeastern Virginia off the coast and into the North Carolina coastal waters, still small crafts in effect. Just for the wave heights right now, winds have lowered and not really expecting anything greater than that. Looking at the marine wind overview, we'll continue to see those sub-small craft conditions continue to filter in through the day as that high pressure settles overhead. By tomorrow, we'll see those southwest winds increase 15 to 20 with gusts upwards of 25 knots. Possibly marginal small crafts maybe need to be issued this afternoon's package or by this tomorrow morning's package. And you can kind of see through the time frame, we'll see those winds kind of really start to increase tomorrow in the early morning hours, and they'll last pretty much through the afternoon before decreasing by Tuesday night. And then we get a backdoor cold front that moves on through Wednesday, and we'll see those conditions increase once again for possible marginal small crafts. Just looking at the over the wind summary, we'll continue to see that southwest wind increasing Tuesday, and then that wind will increase out of the north once again, north-northwest, as soon as that backdoor cold front moves through. And then we kind of play around with marginal small craft conditions as we go on through the week, before possibly increasing by Sunday again with perhaps some elevated marine conditions in the extended. Looking at wave-wise, waves will decrease throughout the day, and then we'll be around 3 to 4 feet pretty much through the forecast period through Thursday. Then we start to see those seas again increase Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with some 5-foot waves possibly off the coast of our coastal waters. Just taking a look again at our seas, at our 84-hour significant wave height and our also 84-hour occasional wave heights. These go out through the forecast period as we'll continue to see those winds increase that will drive that wind wave action. Pretty short briefing for today, so I'm going to end it here.